Good morning students. I will discuss the number system chapter. Why number system chapter is very important chapter, like like exam, bank, SSC, CHSL and teachers exam DSSB and KVS. Number system chapters number system chapter include the many chapters like simplification, decimal and fraction, powers and surds and square root and cube root. These chapters include the number system, simplification, decimal and fraction, powers and surds, square root and cube roots. Okay. First all students learn the squares of 1 to 20. Why? These squares help of the square of the high numbers, like 98 square, 96 square, 97 square, 96 square, 93 square. Okay. These squares help, these square 1 to 20 squares help high squares numbers 98 square, 96 square, 97 square, 93 square and 108, 100, 298, 296 chapters. Okay. 49 square, 47 square, 43 square and other squares help. Always learn, remember, always memorize squares of the 120, all students. Okay. First priority, first work, memorize the square of the 1 to 20 squares. Okay. And this is the very good, and you learn 1 to 30 squares. This table help for squares. Next, 89 square, 49 square, 48 square, 41 square, 98 square, 39 square have very quickly solve these squares. First all, we learn the first rule, first rule, we take always base 50, 100, 200, 300, 400. We never base 60, 70, 80 like up to so on. Always base we take 50, 100, 200, 300 and 400. Base means always comparison these numbers, how much less than and how much more than 49. This comparison with comparison 50, 98 comparison with 100. These like base 50, 100, 200, 300, 400. The square of 89, square of 89. 89 how much less than 100? This 90, 89 how much less than 100? 11. 11 minus and 11 square. This is equal to 11 minus this 78 and 11 square 1 to 1. We take always right hand double digit. Double digit means this 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 digit. We take always double digit the right hand. The we should 21. We should take 21. This 1 is extra, this add in 78, this 79 and 20. This answer 90, 89 square 7921. And other square 98 square, 98 square how much less than from 100? This 100, 98 less than 100 from 2 and 2 square. This minus 2, this we get 96 and 2 square we get 4. Okay. always we take right hand double digit, we take always right hand double digit. 96, this 4, and we take always double digit, this includes 0. So we take, we will get 9604, this is square of 90, and so many examples. And 1112, 1112 square, this how much more than from 100? 12 plus 12 and 12 square, this 12 square, this 124 and this 144. We take always right hand double digit, this 1 is extra, this add in 124, we get 125 and 44. This quickly the squares of the high numbers always. Next example, 49. 49 how much less than 50? This comparison with 50, why? 50 is a base of 49, of 49. 49 how much less than 50? 1 minus 1, and 50, all 50 get 100 half, 100 half we get 50. This, so next is this divided by 2. I hope you all students understand. 49 less than 51 minus 1 and half and 1 square, this 24 and 1 we take always right hand double digit, 0 include, and 2401, this answer 49 square. Next, 48 how much less than 50? This number less than 52 and 2 ka square, and this number half, this 46 and half, and this number, this square 4, 23 and 04, this answer 2304, this 48 square. And so many examples you can do, and 1112, 108, 298 and so on. Always this trick use, the very useful, this trick, square of the high numbers. Okay. Next, unit digit. Unit digit, all students know about the unit digit. Unit digit like this number 298, the 8 is the unit digit, unit, tens, hundred, thousand, like 398 unit digit 8, 377 unit digit is 7, 676 unit digit is 6, all students get. Thus I will discuss the unit digit. Unit digit is the useful in the very helpful for find out the square roots and cube roots. Unit digit other name is large digit. Okay, understand all students. This unit digit is 8, here 7 and here 6 and 8, like this. For example, 377 multiply 673 multiply 672 multiply 671, find the unit digit, find the unit digit, find the unit digit. Okay, this find the unit digit, so we take always unit digit. Unit digit means 7, here 3, here 2 and here 1, and this multiply together, but you calculate fast. We take 7 into 3 multiply 21, get 2 into 1 multiply 2, this again from here unit digit 1 and 2, we will get unit digit answer 2. Okay, so simple, very simple. Then you find the unit digit. Unit digit like if unit digit in the unit place, if unit place 0, 1, 5 and 6. Okay. Rule number 1, if unit place 0, 1, 5 and 6. There are no change in the unit digit any power. For example, 7671 here power 299, 7671 power 299. Here unit digits 1 sorry 0, 1, 5 and 6. 0 1 0 की power 1 1, 0 की power 2 0 to the power 0, 0 to the power 3 0, 0 to the power 4 0, 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 3 1, 1 to the power 4, 5 power 1 5, 5 to the power 25, 5 to the here unit place 5 5 5 5. You can see the unit digit same 6 to the power 6 to the power 6, 6 to the power 36, 60 to the power 3 3216. Here unit digit 6. We can say the unit place 0 1 5 and 6, no change in the unit digit. Okay, here unit place 1 7671, the unit place 1 की power 299, so we get unit digit 1. So simple. Next example 76 की power 390, we get unit digit 6, right? Quick answer. And 375193, we get unit digit 5. Okay, there is unit if unit place 0 1 5 and 6, they are no change in the unit place. Rule number first. Okay, I hope all students get it. Next rule number 2, if unit place 2 3 7 8, 2 to the power 1 2, 2 to the power 2 4, 2 to the power 3 8, 2 to the power 4 16 and 2 to the power 5 32. Thus first unit digit 2 and next unit digit 4 and next unit digit 8 and next unit digit 6. Thus and next unit digit 32 मतलब next 2 unit digit. Okay, this is a unit digit 2. You can see the unit digit is repeat after 4 times. Unit digit first 2 4 8 6 after 2 again. Next in case of the 3, unit digit 3 3 to the power 9 and unit digit 7, this here unit digit 1 and again repeat this unit digit 3. First unit digit 3, next 9 7 1 and repeat 3. Okay, in case of the 7, same here 7 unit 9 3 1 and 7 repeat this again. Okay, this is called is cyclicity. Why cyclicity? The unit digit after 4 digit again repeat. Okay, this is cyclicity. 8 to the power 1 8, 8 to the power 6 6 4, 8 to the power 3 2, 8 to the power 4 6 and 8 to the power 5 and unit digit 8. Okay, again repeat. Okay, this is the unit digit repeat again after 4 digits. This is a rule number 2. Rule number 2, the repeat always after 4 digit the same unit digit. Okay, well, for example this 378 to the power 115, find the unit digit. Okay, find the unit digit, solve it. Here unit digit 8. Okay, 115. Okay, this solve out, this is the more power, then solve it. Always we take 2 digit yani 115, always right hand double digit take here and divided by 4. Why divided by 4? Divided by 4, I will just discuss it. This first digit 2 and next unit digit 4 and next digit 8 and next digit 6 and repeat. After how many digits repeat 2? 1 2 3 4. This example 3 9 7 1 and repeat. So divided by 4. This is cyclicity. the repeat unit digit after 4 digits. Okay, 4 3 are 12, divided it 4 3 are 12, and this gives the remainder 3. This remainder we take power 8 की power 3, and 8 power 3 this we take here 512, 512, this find out this is the unit digit. In this case the unit digit is 2. Next example, 373, this power 119, and we take here unit digit here 3, 3 to power 119, and divided by 119 here 19 divided by 4, 4 4 are 16, and this gives remainder 3, and remainder 3, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, open this 27, and here the unit digit 7. You will get the answer 3 7. Okay. Next example, 3 7 7, and this power, this right hand 2 digit divided by 4, 4 4 3 are 4 3 are 12, this gives remainder 2, and this power again 7 की power 2, this open 49, we get unit digit 9. This is example for rule number 2. Always rule of, this is rule of 2 3 7 and 8, and the last rule 0 1 5 and 6. Okay. If power completely divisible by 4, if power completely divisible by 4, then what will we do if power completely divisible by 4? For example, 3 7 2 की power 4 है, this power completely divided by 4. In this case we take always power 4, 2 to the power 4 16, the here unit digit, this is a here unit digit 6, in this case unit digit 6 always. Okay. If power completely divisible by 4, then in this case we take always power 4. Okay. In this rule of 2 2 3 7 and 8, and last rule 0 1 5 6. Next rule, rule number 3, the rule number 3, next 4 and 9, for 4 and 9. Rule number 3, if you will see 4 to the power 1 4, 4 to the power 16, 4 to the power 64, 4 to the power this 256. This power is odd, this we get the unit digit 4, this power even we get unit digit 6, this power odd again, this we get unit digit 4, this power is the 4, and to again we get unit digit 6, and up to so on. In the 9 case, 9 to power 1 9, and 9 to the power 2 81, and 9 to the power 3 2 7 to 9. If power odd, this one number is odd, then we get unit digit 9, and in this case power is even, we get the unit digit 1. In this case unit digit 9, this power is odd. In this case of, if 9 to power odd, we get unit place 9. If power even, we get, in the case of 9, we get unit digit 1, and in this case of 4, if power odd, the we get unit digit 4, power even we get unit digit 6, and power odd we get unit digit 4. So here this table, you so this table, you can see this table, if power 4 odd, we get unit digit 4, and even this you get unit digit 6, and you power odd unit digit 9, power odd even the get in this case of 9. For example, if 379 to the power 200, this unit place 9, 9 to the power 200. Okay, this 200 power odd or even, this power is even. In this even case, we get 1 unit digit. And next 344 power 356, this power this unit place 4, and this power is even, this 4 to the power 356, and this is 4 is unit digit, this power is even this case 6 unit place, and we get unit digit 6. Okay, next 374 key power 199, this again 4 to the power 199, we get this power is odd, we get in this case power is odd in 4, we get answer 4. Okay, this example, this is a rule of the 4 and 9, this rule number 3 for the 4 and 9. And last rule, rule number 2, 2, 3, 7, and rule number first 0, 1, 5 and 6. For example, all rules include in this example 376 power 99, 8, 214, 7, 4, 300. Okay, this here unit digit 6, in the case of the 6 unit digit always same. Okay, here unit digit 8 to the power 214, here unit digit is 4 to the power 300, 300 is a number, even number, we get answer unit digit 6. Okay, here in the case of 4 even dash power and 6, this 6 and 8, in this case of the 8, the last 2 digit of power divided by 4, here 14 divided by 4, 4 3 is 12, this we get answer 2, this power 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 2, this here plus 6, here 6 64 plus 6, and we get answer 6 unit digit, this unit digit 4 and unit is here 6, this 10 plus 6 16, here we get answer 6. Okay, in this example unit digit always 6. This there is fundamental rules. Of next lecture we will discuss we will continue all basic rules, powers and surds, square root and cube roots, help of the unit digits. Okay, so we meet next lecture. Okay.